After a few years of dealing with a muddy backyard, I think we finally got our mud under control. All thanks to our new 50-gallon rain barrels from RTS Home Accents. And this rain barrel comes shipped to your door, ready to collect your rain as well. Inside the box, you have your rain barrel, with everything you need taped to the top. There's a filter to cover the hole on top, a spigot to screw into the front, and even a connector piece to daisy chain barrels and get even more water storage. The barrel also has a flat side, so you can place it flush against your house or foundation. Then you can feed your downspout to it and collect water. I'm going to place it below the holes in our gutter. Our gutter does a really good job of collecting the water, just not directing it. So now I can collect the falling water and prevent it from pooling in our walkway. Then when we get some rain, the barrels will have water waiting for us, and we can connect a hose, turn the faucet, and use the water for our future garden. And when the barrel fills up, it has a hole for overflow. You can feed this to the next barrel, or just watch the water dump onto the ground like me, and know it's full. Now I was pretty surprised by this, but our barrel filled up completely, and our other barrel is about 3/4 of the way full. You throw in what we collected from that little bucket, and we gathered around 100 gallons of water with one storm. So if you're using this to cut down on the mud, you may want to feed your hose somewhere and drain it before, and even during big storms. We've had a few big storms so far, and even with it sometimes overflowing, our backyard hasn't flooded. We collect so much water that our walkway dries up quickly now, and the water doesn't flow into our barn anymore. Just look at how bad it used to be versus now. I might get a couple more barrels in the future, but overall, I'm really happy with these, and really excited to use this for my garden. So if you're looking to collect some water and need a nice rain barrel, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go start my garden. See ya.